My name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be doing a Will It Fit on this 2023 GMC 1500. We put a 3.5-inch lift on it, some 20x9 wheels with a positive 18mm offset, and some 35, 12, 50, 20 tires. With that being said, we had to do a little bit of trimming. On the front specifically, we had to trim the valence, not only the lower valence, but the upper valence as well. Both of those are slight minor plastic trimming. Then as we move to the back, we had to trim just a little bit of the fender. We removed the mud flap. You can see the mud flaps off in this video. We're about to add it back on. We removed the mud flap, trimmed just a little bit of the metal. We'll trim the plastic mud flap as well, and then reinstall it onto the truck. That's all the trimming that you had to do, just some slight metal trimming on the rear of the fender and some plastic trimming on the valence. I'm gonna show you on this valence. You can see down here, we trimmed just the bottom corner of this valence. And then this is key. Where these two valences come together, you have to trim right here as well. Whenever you do that, that's what will allow you to fit these 35, 12, 50, 20s on the 3.5-inch lift. We are Central Alps, the premier off-road customization shop in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. If there's ever anything that we can do for you, do not hesitate to reach out. Give us a call, 833-268-2577. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.